Hey, what's up guys? So I wanted to show you guys the software that I've been using. I've been getting a few questions on what streaming software to use and which one is the best one, things like that. I'm not sure which one is the best, but the one that I've been using is Streamlabs OBS. So what you would do, you'll go to your browser, you're going to type in Streamlabs, you're going to pull up a site that looks like this. It should be the first tab, the first option. You're going to pull up a site that's going to look like this. You're going to hit that download and you're going to go through all the necessary installation steps that you need in order to get it downloaded. Once it's downloaded to your PC, it's going to take you to an interface that looks like this. From here, you're going to come up here to sources. You're going to find this little plus mark here, click it. You're going to go to video capture device. You're going to hit add source. You can see that my camera is already hooked up and is able to pull my video feed. So you're going to add that. Now you have your video feed. All right, so we already have our video pulled up here. I already have my audio pulled up here, but I'm gonna show you how to put it in just for the sake of the video. You will come to the same place. You'll come to the plus sign, go down to audio input capture, add source. Here is a couple of devices that I've already had added, but what you would do is you will come here to add new source instead. You will go to add source, and you will come to this drop down. You will pull up whatever audio device you have hooked up. I have a plug and play audio device, so I would just click that and I would hit add or hit done. You can tell that your audio is working properly. Right here you got audio input capture, and over here you have audio input capture. This is the actual audio levels of that particular feed. You see the audio levels are working properly. If I had it, as you can see, it didn't catch any of that little part that I said there when I muted it. And that's your basic setup there. Got your audio, got your video, and you're ready to go live. You have a good working microphone, you have a good working camera, and this is just your basic setup for just a plain stream or a live stream or a chat style live stream, which is you talking to your fans. That is it for this video. I'll cover different aspects and different ways that I utilize this that's worked for me and that's best for me. And I'll share it with you guys in other videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys soon. Peace.